L-39, the big monster. As you can see, it's taller than me. 76 by 57-inch wingspan. What we're going to do now is go ahead and install the motor. The other day when I taxied it, I actually had a 85 amp ESC in there. Didn't really go full throttle. But now we got the TJ100 completely set up. I'm going to show you guys how everything looks on there and what kilowatts that we're expecting to see. So as you guys can see, it's pretty much done here. Thing is pretty large. It's pretty large. It's bigger than me. Should weigh 17 pounds. With the TJ100, it should fly pretty good. So let's get into the programming and me installing the TJ100 and checking everything out, programming. Okay, so this is under the hatch of the L-39. So pretty much here, what we have is new intakes I've made that I got from Tamjets, along with the fan. You can see here, this is a little extension here. So the fan would sit in position about here. Then we have the thrust tube would go out the exit here. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is reinstall a fan. The other day when I taxied it, I actually had a HV 85 ESC in here, so I really didn't taxi it that hard. Also, I'll be getting a thrust test. We'll see how much watts and amps we're drawing from this design with these intakes in here. Should be about 4,000 watts. I got 11 cell 35C pack, so that's what we'll be testing. So that's the inside of where the fan unit's going to go. As you can see there. So let me go ahead and install this, and then we'll keep moving on. I'll show you guys a little bit more of what's inside the L-39. Okay guys, so this is what I have here for my power source. Inside the TJ100 we have a new motor, 15 3D motor, recently made here just about 2 weeks ago, so we know the motor is fresh. For the ESC, we have a Castle Creation high voltage 110 ESC, good for 12 cells, 50 volts. And right here we have the TJ100 assembled. So we have the heat sink inside here, which will stay cool from the air blowing through the fan. On the tip here I have captors. This would create from a power spike, because the cord might not be quite long as 3 inches, but we use captors to keep the power constantly flowing from a far distance to the motor in the ESC. The thrust tube is already on here. This is the front of the fan. It's all carbon fiber. So I'm going to go ahead and mount this inside the L-39. Then I'll give you guys a look at the intakes that I put in there. Remember, I cut the old ones out. And this is what a TJ100 is made out of. But you can also use different motors. I use the 1515 3D motor often. Same thing in my Tamjets A4. Okay, so we got the TJ100 back installed. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is hook up the ESC. I still got to program it with my Castle Creations link connector. Set the ESC timing to low throttle and take off the brake. And we have our battery extension here. Now what I'm going to do is just give a quick test of the motor. Make sure we're running in the right direction. I already did, but just to give you guys an idea of how it goes. Radio's on. Throttle's hooked in. Everything's booted up. It's just a small 4-cell battery. And we have air running out the back here. So we do have it hooked up right. Now I'll go ahead and program my ESC to low timing and remove the brake. That's what the new motor likes. It's low timing. And that's the EDF unit installed. What I have here is a chart of the kilowatts we should get. This is for the new motor 1500 series. So where we're at is the new motor 1515 3D on 11S. We should hit 3.9 kilowatts to 4.1 kilowatts. Now I'm going to be running these on fresh packs, and also I will be holding the plane in position. So we want to at least see 39 at a standstill, which would give me plane 17 pounds altogether. So I would say divide that into the 3.9 would give me about 235 to 225 watts per pound. That's what we're looking for. Between the 3.9 and 3.4 should be 225 to 235 watts per pound. And how I got this by dividing the weight into 3900 or 4100. So let's go run a test. And these are the different motor sizes specs for the TJ100. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and program the ESC now. Going to go to brake strength. We're going to go disable. Cutoff, auto lock, LiPo, current limit, normal. Motor timing, low timing. Going to hit update. Settings have been sent to the ESC. We should be good to go to test to see what we get on 11S 35C packs. The motor should run at its best speed.